Today we're unboxing the Casio Timeless AE-1500WHC-8AVEF, a bold digital watch built for everyday reliability. Inside the box, you'll find the original Casio packaging, along with the official international warranty card. Make sure to watch until the end for a special discount code. It features a large, round resin case designed for maximum readability and a tough, sporty look. The case measures 54.4 by 51.3 millimeters and has a thickness of 15.8 millimeters. You get a wide range of practical functions, including time, date, world time, dual time, stopwatch, countdown timer, and multiple alarms. This is how the watch looks on my wrist. Despite its size, it feels lightweight and very comfortable to wear. And once again, this is how the watch looks on my wrist outdoors, in natural daylight where the amber display really pops. Personally, I think this is a great everyday watch. For the price, you're getting a lot of functionality and classic Casio reliability.
Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. And if you're interested in this watch, the link is down below in the description. And we have a discount of 10% off with discount code 20K. We ship worldwide and the watch will arrive within a few days. Thank you.